Good morning, everyone. This is Sham, Assistant Professor, Civil Department, Chevron Engineering College. Subject Geotechnical Engineering 1, Unit 2, Index Properties of Soils. On topic Pycnometer method. So, Pycnometer method. This is the apparatus of the Pycnometer method. This is the 900 ml bottles, glass bottles. So pycnometer method, this is the also quick method of determining the water content of those soils whose specific gravity G is accurately known. Their specific gravity is indicated to the capital G. The pycnometer is the large size density bottle of about 900 ml capacity, a conical brass cap and having a 6 diameter hole at the its top is screwed to the open end of the pycnometer. A rubber washer is placed between the conical cap and the rim of the bottle so that there is no leakage of water. This is the pycnometer method. Bottle this is a rough diagram. Here top is hole, 6 dia hole, and this is the cap is the brass conical cap. It is the rubber washers both sides, and it is screw ring. It is a glass jar. The test procedure of a pycnometer method. First of all, we take the clean and dry pycnometer bottle and it find its mass M1 means weight calculated with its cap and washer, with include cap and washer also. Next, put about 200 grams to 400 grams of wet soil sample in the pycnometer and find its mass M2 with its cap and washer. Fill the pycnometer to half its height and mix it thoroughly with the glass rod. Add more water and stir it. Replace the screw top and fill the pycnometer flush with the hole in the conical cap. Dry the pycnometer from outside and find its mass M3. Empty the pycnometer, means empty bottle of the pycnometer. Clean it thoroughly and fill it with the clean water to the whole of the conical cap and find its mass M4. Here observe the totally we calculated 4 masses means 4 weights. First of all, dry pycnometer bottle and with cap and washer. It is M1. After adding some wet soil, 200 grams to 400 grams. It is the mass calculated M2 and other some added the water and calculate the mass this bottle M3. After total remove the soil and water and clean it and add pure water, then totally pycnometer bottle and it's find the mass M4 means weight. Finally, the water content is then calculated from the following expression. So water content is the indicated to small w. So W equal to show the formula M2 minus M1 divided by M3 minus M4 into G minus 1 divided by G minus 1. So total multiply with 100. Here water content is calculated in percentages. So then finally multiply with 100. So here water content determinations in pycnometer methods one by one masses. So first of all, it is the pycnometer empty bottle, total dry and clean. It is the M1 means weight. Second one is the pycnometer bottle plus wet soil. It is the mass M2. Wet soil means some of the adder mixing the solids. Another one is the picrometer plus wet soil plus add fill top of the bottle with water. It is the taken M3. Similarly, totally solids and water remove and clean and add the pure water totally bottle picrometer bottle. Then picrometer plus water, then it is calculated weight, then mass is M4. So first of all mass M1, second one is the mass M2, third one is the mass M3, and fourth one is the M4. So in this figure shows dry mass. It is the dry mass indicated to MD. MD is the mass of the soil particles. The volume of solid particles will be equal to the MD by G. Thus, if the solids from the figure are replaced with the water of the mass MD by G, we get the mass M4 indicated in the figure shows. Thus, finally, M4 equal to M3 minus MD plus MD divided by G, or MD into G minus 1 divided by G, that is equal to M3 minus M4. For which this equation we calculated MD. MD equal to M3 minus M4 into, it is taken right side, G divided by G minus 1. Now mass of water MW in the wet soil, M2 minus M1 minus MD. So W is the water content, MW by MD into 100. It is the water content formula. Here MW means mass of water MW. This formula is M2 minus M1 minus MD. So substitute divided by MD into 100. Then M2 minus M1 divided by MD minus 1 into 100 from this equation. Next one M2 minus M1 divided by MD. MD value is the M3 minus, show here, M3 minus M4 into G by G minus 1. Substitute in MD. So M3 minus M4 divided by G minus 1 divided by G. Then G minus 1 by G minus 1 into totally multiply with 100. So this method is suitable for the only coarse grained soils. Here calculated the water content, then after we calculate specific gravity in picrometer method. The specific gravity of solids is determined by 3 meters, 50 ml density bottle or 50 ml flask or the picrometer. The density of the bottle method is the most accurate and suitable for all types of soils. The flask or picrometer used only for the coarse grained soils. The density bottle method is standard method used in the laboratory. So same method. Here empty bottle is calculated a mass 1 and bottle plus dry soil M2. Here no wet soil, only dry soil. And third one is the bottle plus dry soil plus add fill the water and calculated mass M3. And similarly bottle totally remove the solids and fill the pure water, water plus water. This is the value is the mass M4. However, in this all three methods, the sequence of the observations is the same. The mass M1 of the empty dry bottle or flask or picrometer is the first taken. A sample of woven dried soil cooled in the desiccator is put in the bottle and the mass M2 is taken. The bottle is then filled with the distilled water or kerosene, gradually removing the entrapped air either by the applying vacuum or by the shaking of the bottle. The mass M3 of the bottle is soil and water, full up to the top is taken. Finally, the bottle is emptied completely and thoroughly washed and clean water or kerosene is filled to the top and the mass M4 is taken. Based on these four observations, the specific gravity can be completed. From the figures, dry mass MD of the soils MD equal to M2 minus M1. Mass of the figure M3 minus M2. Mass of the water is M4 minus M1. Hence, the mass of the water having the same volume that solids is M4 minus M1 into minus M3 minus M2. Now specific gravity G equal to dry mass of the soil divided by mass of water of the equal volume. Dry mass of the soil is here mass of the soil M2 minus M1 and mass of the water is M4 minus M1 minus M3 minus M2. Substitute. Then finally G equal to M2 minus M1 divided by M2 minus M1 minus M3 minus M4. That is equal to MD by MD minus M3 minus M4. MD means dry mass, M2 minus MD equal to M2 minus M1. This is the specific gravity formula. Then alternative proof in temperature at 27 degrees. If the soil solid is removed from the M3 and replaced with the water of equal volume and M4 is obtained. Volume of solids equal to MD by G. So M4 equal to M3 minus MD plus MD by G. G equal to, you know, the M2 minus M1 divided by M2 minus M1 minus M3 minus M4 or MD divided by MD minus M3 minus M4. This is the specific gravity formula. When as the 500 ml flask is used, the mass is taken an accuracy of 0.1 gram. In case of pyknometer, mass measurements is taken to 1 gram accuracy. In the both the cases, the entrapped air is expelled by the stirring and distilled water is used. However, in this tissue bottle method, the mass measurements are taken in an accuracy of 0.001 to 0.005 grams. And kerosene is used since it is better wetting agent. In this case, specific gravity of soil solids is given by G equal to MD into GK divided by MD minus M3 minus M4. Here, extra adding GK, where GK is the specific gravity of kerosene at the temperature T centigrade. T means certain amount, or T 10 degrees or 27 degrees, 30 degrees, like etc. If, however, the test conducted at any one temperature T, that is room temperature, in this case flask or pyknometer, the specific gravity to be reported at 27 degrees is found under G at 27 degrees. So G at temperature, specific gravity of water at a temperature, specific gravity of water at 27 degrees centigrade. Next, we go to the problems. Write the problem. First problem, write the problem in order to determine the water content. $370 grams of what sandy sample, 370 grams of wet sandy sample was placed in the pyknometer. The mass of the pyknometer, sand and water full to the top of the conical cap was found to be 2148 grams. The mass of pyknometer full of clean water was 1932 grams. Taking G equal 2.65, determine the water content of the sample. So solution. Here find the water content of the sample. So here wet sandy sample wet soil is means wet mass 370 grams is given, and the mass of picnometer and sand and water full, it is the M3. Is conical found 2148, and the mass of picnometer full clean the water is 1932. Here, first of all, here giving the 370 grams of wet soil. It is indicated to mass is M. It is the wet mass of soil is 370 grams, and M3 is the picnometer plus sand plus means soil plus water. It is 3. So it is the M3. Another one is the picnometer is full with clean water. It is the M4. Here totally M3 and M4, and here totally M is given. 370 grams of wet sand is sample. So formula is W equal to M2 minus M1 divided by M3 minus M4. And G minus 1 divided by G. Here G is the specific gravity is given, taking G equal to 2.65 minus 1 into 100. Then here no M is the M2 minus M1. Wet mass of soil M. So finally M divided by M3 minus M4 into G minus 1 divided by G minus 1 into 100. Here total mass of M is the 370 grams, substitute, and M3 is the 2148 grams, substitute, and M4 is 1932 1932 into G is the specific gravity 2.65 minus 1 divided by G specific gravity 2.65 minus 1 into 100. Then finally calculated equal to 6.5 percentage. It is the water content of the sample W equal to 6.5 percentage. So any doubt? We go to next problem. Write the problem. An oven dried soil having a mass of 200 grams is placed in a picnometer, which is then completely filled with water. The total mass of the picnometer with the water and soil inside is 1605 grams. The picnometer filled with the water alone has a mass of 1480 grams. Then calculate the specific gravity of the soil. Here previous problem we calculated the water content. Here calculate the specific gravity. Specific gravity means G. So solution, first of all, given data, write the given data. Here is a dried soil means MD. Mass of dry soil is 200 grams. MD equal to 200 grams. Next one, the total mass of the picnometer with water and soil. So picnometer plus water plus soil. This is the third one, M3 bottle. So M3 equal to 1605 grams. And the picnometer filled the water along with mass 1480 grams. So M4 equal to 1480 grams. So we know the formula G equal to MD by MD minus M3 minus M4. This is the dry mass. So dry mass equal to 200 divided by MD is the 200 dry mass, and M3 is the 1605 minus M4 is the 1480 grams. So total calculated then equal to G equal to 0.67. It is the specific gravity of the soil. So here you find out the water content, first problem, and second one is the specific gravity. Any doubt in this problem? So we go to the next problem. Here, calculate temperature. So write the problem. The specific gravity of the soil sample was found with the help of a 50 ml density bottle using kerosene. The mass of empty bottle was found to be 62.12 grams. A sample of oven dried clay was placed in the bottle and the total mass of the bottle and clay was found to be 83.49 grams. The mass of bottle, clay and kerosene filled with the top of the capillary tube of the stopper was found to be 264.41 grams. Finally, the bottle filled with clean kerosene only has the mass of 249.24 grams. Every time the temperature of the constants of the bottle was maintained at 27 degrees centigrade by the placing of the bottle in a thermostatically controlled water bath. Before the weighing, in a separate test, the specific gravity of kerosene was found to be 0.773 at 27 degrees centigrade. What is the specific gravity of the soil? In the specific gravity is to be reported at 4 centigrade. What will be the value? So clearly observe this problem. Here used kerosene replace the water. So previous cases in water used. In this case kerosene. Totally is same. So soil is used plus kerosene. Previous cases soil plus water. So here what is the given data? Solution, write the given data. Here specific gravity formula is separated for normal temperature md by md minus m3 minus m4. Specially asked temperature at specific gravity to be reported at particular temperature, same formula it multiply into gk. gk means specific gravity at kerosene. So write the data. So first of all, dry mass of dry soil 83.49 grams. So here look, the total mass of the bottle and the clay was found 83.49 grams. It is that dry soil mass. Here look like oven dried clay. So dry soil. So write MD, mass of dry soil 83.49. The mass of empty bottle was found 62.1 grams. So empty bottle weight is 62.12 grams and oven dried clay with placed the bottle and total mass of the bottle and clay was found. Bottle plus clay 83.49. Bottle weight is 62.12. Then finally mass of dry soil is 83.49 minus 62.12 equal to 21.37 grams. It is the only soil weight, dry soil. Bottle plus soil weight is the 83.49. Only bottle weight is the 62.12. Then we calculate the only soil weight, then 83.49 minus 62.12. That is equal to 21.37. It is the soil weight. So finally here MD equal to 21.37 grams. Next one, the mass of bottle, clay and kerosene filled with the top of the capillary tube of the stopper was found. So here mass of the bottle plus clay plus kerosene. 3 is added. So it is indicated to M3. M3 equal to weight is 246.41 grams. So write M3 equal to 264.41 grams. Next, finally, the bottle full with clean kerosene only has been masked. So here, only kerosene, not a soil, only kerosene, 249.24 grams. It is the only kerosene. So M4, mass of the M4 equal to 49.24 grams. Next one is specific gravity was found 27 degrees 0.773. So here find the 4 degrees. So here M3 minus M4 equal to M3 value is 264.41, M4 249.24. So M3 264.41 minus M4 value is 249.24 equal to 15.17 grams. So here specific gravity G equal to MD value is 21.37. Substitute this formula, MD is 21.37 and into GK. GK means specific gravity at kerosene is specific gravity at kerosene at 27 degrees 0.773. Multiply 21.37 into 0.773. So MD value is in this formula 21.37. So substitute 21.37. Similarly, minus M3 minus M4 value is 15.17. Then finally, specific gravity equal to 2.66. Here G equal to 2.66. Here we find the at 4 centigrade. So G at 4 centigrade, the formula G at 27 degrees, specific gravity of water at 27 degrees divided by specific gravity of water at 4 degrees. So 27 degrees at specific gravity is 2.66. And specific gravity of water at 27 degrees 0.996 and specific gravity of water is 4 degrees 1. That is equal to 2.65. It is the lab test report at 27 degrees and 4 degrees, the specific gravity value. So it is the 4 degrees specific gravity at 2.65. Here specific gravity formula same, but here given the temperature and add multiply with GK. GK means specific gravity at kerosene. So any doubt in this problem? So first we find out the water content. Water content formula is the M2 minus M1 divided by M3 minus M4 into G minus 1 divided by G minus 1 into 100. It is the water content formula. Next one is the specific gravity. Specific gravity formula is MD by MD minus M3 minus M4. And specific gravity at certain percentage and like specific gravity at kerosene. G equal to MD into GK MD minus M3 minus M4. So here we already discussed with M1, M2, M3, M4. So M1 is the empty bottle and M2 is the empty bottle plus dry soil or wet soil, anyone, and M3 is the bottle plus soil plus water or kerosene, any liquid, and M4 is the clean dry bottle plus add water or any liquid, kerosene, etc. This is the mass of the bottles M1, M2, M3 and M4. This is used to masses, this four masses used to find, we find water content and specific gravity and certain percentage specific gravity. So any doubt for these problems? Thank you all of you. Ask any doubts in these problems and Pike-Method method test procedure also. Okay, thank you very much all of you.